Perfect posture, Bob. We continue to promote perfect posture because it's so important for your health, your appearance, and your well-being.
And pain control.
Pain control is exactly right.
Big part.
Yep, we're going to show you a nice protocol for our repertoire to guarantee you success with this.
Repertoire.
Yeah,
Wow.
well, I looked it up in
it
thesaurus.
means
There. It's a
something.
good one. Yep. So hold on, 9.3 seconds. We're going to show you how to get that perfect posture quickly.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Okay, so you might be wondering, how am I going to get perfect posture in 7 days? Well, this is a protocol that is like none other, and what we're going to use is the key is using kinesio tape or K tape, which you can. It's not very expensive. You can get it all over the place. About $10 for a roll. Here we're going to use. It's a different color. We're going to use pink because that's Bob's favorite color, right, Bob? Okay, so you do need help with this. Obviously, Bob is going to be the subject. He's lying prone, and he has his arms like this. That's going to help bring his shoulders and shoulder blades into that posture position, which we want to keep. Now, kinesio tape is really nice to use. You don't have to sit there and peel. Just pull and rip, and the backing comes off very easily. Okay, and I'm going to stretch it. Get that out of the way. You're going to find out that it stretches. Now, I got it pulled all the way tight. That's 100% stretch. We're going to put about, you're going to 100% and then back off about 50%, and that's good. There's no real exact science here. Now, we're going to go across. Yeah, let's pull all that off. Here we go. We're going to go across. I'm going to start on one shoulder and no stretch. For the first inch, there's no stretch. Rub it down, and then I'm going to put the stretch on. Pat, 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 pat. And then on the other end, no stretch for the last half inch. That anchors it, okay? And that works out good. Put it down. And then you take the backing. There's a slippery side of it. Oops. And then drop it. Just take that and rub it across the shoulders. How you doing, Bob? Good. Okay, now as long as the skin is clean before you put it on, I've had this tape last up to a week, and that includes a shower every day, going swimming in the pool 2 days a week, and it will stay on. If you start picking at it, pulling at it, then it won't. But, how many people do that? Especially on your backside here. So it's going to stay. Okay, we're going to show you how this works when we get Bob up. Okay, so the tape is on. You can wear it, like I said, 24/7. It works out wonderful. Now, Bob is in good posture now. Shoulder blades back, head is up. Now, slouch, Bob. And you see the tape stretches. And, Bob, can you feel that?
Yeah.
Oh, he doesn't have his mic on, but yes, he's saying yes. You feel it pull, so it's a continual reminder. When you feel it pull, straighten back up, get it where it belongs, and that's where you're going to be. So every day, you're going to feel that 24/7. And we got some other hints that are going to also get that posture where it belongs. So hold on, and I'll tell you in a second. Okay, now the other thing you're going to need to do is every day, at least every 30 minutes, as simple posture exercises or famous W's like Bob is doing.
Chin tuck at the same time.
Yep, so the chin goes in and you go like that. Do 3 to 5 of those. If you want to go up to the wall, this is an even better way. Lean up against the wall, tuck the back of your head in, chin here, and then you know your perfect posture. And then do your W's, and you can do
Some
wall
angels, right.
Yep. Try to keep your arms and elbows touched to the wall, and that really strengthens those postural muscles to force you into that great posture. Okay, now the next thing is every time you walk through a doorway, whether it's at work or at home or the grocery store,
Right.
you go like this and put your arms on the door
Frame.
frame, yep, and just squeeze in a little stretch so we get a little stretch
Right.
in those upper pec muscles.
They tend to be tight.
Right. So people will talk as you go through the door.
Right.
2 or 3 stretches.
Block the door.
Right. But one way or another, it is a nice stretch. You don't have to do it all over the place, but at least in your house. And last but not least, the final thing to have.
The phone.
Right. The most important thing is reminder, reminder, reminder. So you have perfect posture and becomes a absolute habit. Is picture on your phone. What's it called again?
Background.
The background. Get a picture of yourself or somebody with perfect posture, smiling, and put on their perfect posture. So every time you look at your phone,
You could go old school and use post notes.
yeah, put post-its and put them on your mirror in the morning.
Right, everywhere.
I put it on
Computer.
my car, right on the radio thing, because it sticks there when I need to
Oh,
remember.
good, yeah.
And then you can throw them out, and I'll
Right.
go through a whole bundle of those if you
Brad, pick up some milk.
Exactly right. Okay, so that perfect posture again, the tape, the reminders, the W's, going through the doorway stretches. It will work. Do it every day, and you're going to find yourself like this without even thinking about it.
And less pain in your life.
Absolutely. You're going to breathe better, feel better, and do better.
Look better.
And once again, this will have absolutely nothing to do with us being able to fix a
Broken heart.
broken heart, but it might, whatever.
Who
Okay.
knows?
Good luck on everything.